Good morning, team. Good morning, team. Good morning, team. Today we are doing UK 49s. UK 49s is Thursday. So, guys, this is the book. This is the book. And I'm also doing one-on-one. Let's say you buy a book and then you want me to assist you one-on-one. I still do that because I need you guys to actually understand exactly everything what is happening in UK 49 or any other drop. But normally I know people, they love UK 49. You know our numbers, they always drop. Definitely we never go wrong. So guys, you will see when you get the book, you can say, coach, I need the book and then I also need one-on-one, which is perfect and proper. It will assist you so much because I'll just give you a book and then also do a one-on-one teaching through WhatsApp. You know, we just gonna be discussing on WhatsApp. You know, it's better to have knowledge than to just pick numbers and play. You lose forever. But if you know this, you will be sorted. So guys, let me jump over to today's draw. Let me just cut this off, this book, because I need some. Okay, perfect. So do you see that these codes are for what? Brunch and lunchtime. We have two draws, remember, on lunch, and on tea time I've got two draws. So these are hot and cold numbers. Hot and cold numbers means the numbers that are still hot, like 12, 29, and 42. Those numbers are still hot, as you can see. Then the cold numbers is 15, 31, 36. Those are cold ones. Overdue numbers is 9 and 22, meaning that number like 9 and 22 can drop or not on the bonuses. Sorry. So our first code says 129, which is, if you compare with the hot numbers, you'll see that there's 12, there's 29. So you can play this number as a 12, 29, 29 on both draws. It's either Betway and the lunch. I always need to explain this, that there are two draws, because someone said they played numbers on Betway, then the numbers came on UK. You understand it, because they didn't understand. And some people at the bets, they don't explain actually to the punters to say we have got two draws. You have to explain to the people that I'm talking about, the people who work at the bets. They have to explain to new punters that there is brunch, there is lunch, because people don't actually understand. At the end of the day, someone played the wrong draw and then they don't know, which is not fair. So please, guys, from the bets, make sure that you explain to the punters that we have two draws on lunch and two draws on tea time. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see now, if I have to say from that code 129, code 129, if I have to say 19, I can take it from that code. So I have 19 there. Then if I say 1 plus 2, it will give me a 3. Then I can also have a 39. If I say 1 minus that, 1 minus 2, it will give me a 1. I'll carry that 9, it gives me a what? A 19. So I'm now sure that 19 is going to drop. And then the 12 there, it's either they can say 21 or 12. But normally Tony just hits them like that. Because if you subtract 1 minus 29, you get a 28. If you add, you get a 30. Do you see that cycle? That cycle is very, very important. You have to master it. Very, very, very important. Okay, then I'm going to move on to the next code, because I'm doing both lunch here and the brunch. Okay, then here we've got 114. So as you can see, 114 and 112, which means on this code, if you look properly or closer, you're going to see that 11 is there as a banker. It shows me that 11 is the banker. Then if I have to say 1 plus 14, that gives me 15. 1 minus gives me 13. At the bottom, it's 1 plus 12 is 13. 1 minus that is 11. So which means 13 and 11, those numbers are powerful. And the 12, because on top we have 12, 29. So this is how now we're going to create a phone number. We might say 11, 13, 12, 29. Or 11, 31, 21, 29. You see, you just have to spin your numbers around. Okay, and then we note it down. You come at the bottom here, there's 095. 094, I mean. This code yesterday did not work. They only took a 14 actually. I'll have to correct, it should be 95. So which means today they're going to hit 9 and 5. Remember, these guys are clever. They only took 14 yesterday, and they did not give us a 4 and 9 5. So there's a high possibility of a 4 9 5 to drop from that previous code. Let me just correct it, because people will be like, hey coach, you made a mistake. I know guys, you always checking that, which is good, because even if I'm a teacher, it's not like I'm always correct. There sometimes I do make mistakes. Then the final Boomerang code is this one, because here it's 1331. Daniel once hit this as 31 inside bonus 13. So if you add, if you say 1 plus that, you get a 14. If you subtract, you get a 12. So do you see that now? We're still coming back to that 12 again. So this is the correct number. If you add again, it gives you a 32. If you subtract, it gives you a 30. So that 30, remember that 30 that we have on top. So which means these two codes, guys, we're going to combine them now. 129 and 131. These are the codes that can break a record today on UK49 lunchtime. I'm telling you, these codes, you can even pick, like, you know, you can say 12, 13, 29, 19, 31, and 28, and then 30. You take these numbers, simplest, you put them on the Dreamwell. There's another app, it's called Dreamwell. I think all of you guys know about that app. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It will generate 15 lines for you. Then you can play with 150. You are going to play with 5 lines. Then you will win. Definitely you will win. Because if a code says 1331, you must know that if it says 131, it means it's a 1331, but you must always add an 11 there. I forgot 11 because this code says 11 there. If you see 311, play around with these codes. Play around, be creative. Try also by all means that, you know what, let me do this. Okay, so let me just add this on these odd numbers there. I'm going to add let me see, I'm going to add 11. Sorry, I'm going to add 11 there. I'm going to add 31. Or 31 is also already there. Then the 12 is there. And then 9 and 5. I need to add 9 and 5 there on the hot numbers. Actually, those hot numbers, you guys are going to use them as your bankers. And then at the bottom there, what do I have? I have a 13. Let me just add a 13. And then on top I have a 29. I have a 19 as well. I'm just trying to make sure that you guys get something on lunch. What if, guys, this 5 number drops like 15, 31, 36, 13, 19, and on top 12, 29, 42, 11, 9? What can you do? Because seriously, I'm telling you guys, you're going to be surprised one day. You'll be like, coach, we saw that 5 number, it came, and it will be, if dropped 50k with 1 rand. Then with 10 rand is 500,000 rand. You are rich. You can start your own business or something. Okay, guys, so yeah, those who want to join the group, you'll follow the link. Those who want to buy the book, you will do the same. Thank you very much.